Good morning, P3 students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 7th of July 2020. Before, I'm going to give you an assignment today, which is about the materials. So we're going to look at some of the properties of some materials like glass and many others. So in this video, you're going to see something stuck in my throat. Like the properties of some materials. Are you ready? Good. So this way we can watch together. So glass is transparent. So here, as you can see, this is like a farm, but here the roof is made of glass. So here glass is transparent because, we discussed before that the light can pass through it. So these are some vegetables. See, this is the roof. So also, like another property of glass is that it's hard, right? So another example of transparent material also is the water, right? And some plastic. Okay, so another property of glass is that it's hard, but it can also be fragile, easily broken. And then glass is smooth. But like I've said before, that is sometimes the design of glass, like, the actual glass that we drink, sometimes the design is like a little bit rough. So this other material is called, wool, and wool is from the skin of some animals. So one of its properties is that it's soft, flexible, so this one is a sandpaper. Sandpaper is like it's rough and it's used to like rub like some, like for example table, and then they have to use the sandpaper to make it smooth. So when we're back to school, if we have this in our science kit, I'm gonna show you. Okay, because at the moment I don't have it at home. Okay, so one of the properties of sandpaper is that it is rough. So these are made of metal. So this is a type of metal which is steel, strong, hard, rigid. So these are some of the properties of metal. How about this? This is a rubber. A rubber is soft, it's bendy, flexible. So which one are you going to use to make a bridge? Steel. Yeah, so if you build a bridge made of rubber, then it's gonna be silly. This one is waterproof. Nylon also, like plastic, is waterproof, porous or absorbent. So these are the greenhouses where it's like a farm. Alright, so those are the properties of some of the properties of we have there what no, glass, steel, rubber, and what's the other one? I forgot the other one. Okay, so now let's go back to this one. All right, so again, today is Tuesday, and it's the 7th of July 2020. So our learning objective is I can write the best material to be used for these objects and can explain why it is the best material. So for reminders, for the presenter this coming Friday, especially Noreen, Odom, Cerebot, Judy, Lagi, Supna, and Molika, make sure that you are ready with your project, okay? And also for the next reporters, please be ready also in case some of them will be absent. Alright, so here is our objective for today. So here, this ladder is made of jelly. So this is a silly material, chocolate teapot. This is silly, funny. Glass, hammer. Can you imagine a hammer made of glass? A sand house, a house made of sand. And bottles that are made of fabric. So here, what you're going to do is that you are going to answer here. Write the materials which you think might be better and why. So what material should we use to make a ladder that makes it better or sensible, and why? And so with the teapot, the hammer, the house, and the bottle. So again, you're going to write here the... Sorry. So here is, you're going to decide what material is best to make a ladder, a teapot, a hammer, a house, and a bottle, and why you think it's the best. Alright, so thank you so much, and that will be all for today, and happy Tuesday. Goodbye.